Welcome back to yet another edition of Getting Real with Glenda, where we talk smart, simple financial solutions and how to make mortgages easy. This week, we're talking about down payments, what is required and what is not for each loan program. Stay tuned. It really is the all-American question. How much do I need in October 2020 to put down on my property if I'm either a first-time home buyer or a second home buyer? So we're breaking it down on what we need for each loan program. We're going to go through FHA, USDA, VA, and conventional. Those are your four main program types. Grab a pen and piece of paper and come on back. All right, here we go. We're breaking it down. First off, VA home loans. It doesn't matter if you're buying a home for the first time or the second time. Your VA home loan is a 0% down payment loan. Next, we're going USDA. Now, we're talking rural America here. Well, rural is Ellis County, it could be Denton County, it could be Johnson County. So, we're really not rural America, we're just getting outside of the suburbs. But it is also a 0% down payment loan. Now, when it comes to USDA, there are income qualifications and there is a credit score qualification as well. USDA does not really like under a 640 credit score, but we'll get into that next time with USDA. So VA is 0%, USDA is 0%. Give me a call, we'll check the eligibility and your property address to see if USDA is eligible. Next up, we're going FHA, 3.5% down. This is 3.5% of the purchase price. Doesn't matter if you're buying home for the first time or the second time. Again, it's 3.5%. Last one, we're talking about conventional. It's a little bit different for conventional loans. If you're a first-time home buyer and you have under the median income limit, depending on what county you're in, you could qualify for a 3% down payment. Or we would revert to the standard 5% down on a conventional loan, or of course you could put up to 20% down. So it is a common myth that you absolutely do not have to put 20% down, but on the flip side, you would carry mortgage insurance, depending on if it's a government loan, which would be USDA and FHA. Your mortgage insurance would be there on the life of the loan, except if you have it 10% down. On conventional, you could get rid of this mortgage insurance. It's called private mortgage insurance once your property reaches 20% equity. I'm getting it real with Glenda. This week we're breaking it down to how much do you actually need to buy a home in 2020.